Hello everyone, this is Gautam here. Yeah, the market has ended now. So let's see what happened today. If you are not watched the pre-market levels for 4th July, I kindly request you to just watch it. Yeah, I have discussed 6 probabilities of market today and we had 2 probabilities today. So what I will do is, I will now just hide all these drawings first, okay? So that we can know what happened in the market today, okay? So these are the probabilities, right? Yep. Okay. So I'll just replay this. Okay. So these are the 3 levels, and I just discuss the probabilities for today's market, which are of 6. Okay. Okay. So yeah, here it is. So we know that the market was here and then here. We will remove all the other 4 probabilities. Okay. 1, 2. Sorry, it was there. It was there. Okay. Yeah. So these 2 are not there. Okay. So, and we have a long position today, and then we had a short position. So these are the 2 trades which we should have taken, right, based on these levels. So let's make the market run now. So first, we got a candle closure over here, and we should have taken a retest entry. So once we have taken retest entry, I have discussed a concept yesterday. This trade was similar to yesterday's market. Okay, see here, it had a similar retest over here, but it went and got rejected over here. Okay, for this I just discussed the table in the previous video. How could you have arrived to this level of 24,305 in the similar way? Today we add the market. This is a screenshot of today's table from the NSE website. 4th July 9:45. We had 24,350 call option with the previous close of 46 rupees. Okay, so the effective value comes to be around 24,396. So what I'm gonna do is, so I'm just gonna draw a line at 24,396. Okay, let me draw a line at 24,396. 24,396. Okay, yeah. So once you get the retest over here, the first target should be 24,396 because it has closed above 24,350. Since the market is bullish, for call option we will have to add the previous close. Okay, in case of put option we'll have to subtract it. For example, for this, if the market had broken the lower, if the market had closed below this, for retest we'll have to subtract 24,350 with the previous close price. Okay, for put option the previous close for 24,350 is 112, and you'll have to subtract this. Okay, yeah. So let's see. In the same way, as yesterday, I'm just doing the same. For yesterday we added 24,250 plus 55. Today we are adding 24,350 plus 46, which is 24,396. Let's see if the market is going to break it or not. Okay, so the market did not break these levels. Okay, so that's the other thing. So it just got reversed over here. The other clue, since it is the I which I have given for the market, how can the market can go further up? So there are some clues. Okay, so this is the option chain. Okay, this is a screenshot from the upstocks. So these are OTM options. You should just look at the percentage of the options, and you should just identify when will the call sellers panic. Only if the call sellers panic, the market can propel further upwards. Okay, so this is a screenshot of yesterday's market, and this is a screenshot of today's market. You can see a difference. Okay, like what's the percentage? You should just look into the percentage at the time when the market reaches this level. So this timing is the screenshot of the time which I took. This is not appropriate to the timing when it reached here. I just want to let you know, you should just do your own research and just analyze how the market reacts when it reaches this level and it has broken the high. Okay, because it has to go further, then the percentage should be more where the call sellers usually panic. Okay, so that's the concept here. Okay, yeah. So since it actually, I just checked today, it was not above 100%. Okay, if you just check in the live market, that's your job to do. Okay, so yeah, so now that it has reached the target for 24,350 call option, so now we're just expecting, and it closed below this range. Okay, let's see, this is one thing, and this is the retest. Okay, retest candle. So now that the target is done, I'll just hide this long position. Okay, so now we are looking for a short position. Okay, yeah, previously I discussed, if it closed below 24,350, we'll have to go for a retest, and you can wait for a target up to the midpoint. Okay, but in today's market, we have discussed one scenario, and this is the second scenario. Okay, second probability. In today's market, it was a totally premium decay market, and there was no momentum happening. So let's see. Yeah, it went and retested again, but it didn't break the level. It broke the level, but it didn't have a proper retest, and it closed again below 24,350. And yeah, it was not able to break the level. Yeah, and finally, in the final half an hour of the market, we saw a momentum over here. I mean, like last 40 minutes. So this is how the market closed today. Okay, so yeah, this retest is one trade, and you'll have to have a target of 24,396. And once the market closed below this, you'll have to go for a retest entry. And yeah, this is, it didn't reach the target effectively, but yeah, but the put option was stronger today. Yeah, so we'll just have to make a note of it. So yeah, if you find this useful, just let me know in the comment section. If you have any doubts, you can just drop a comment so that I can clarify it in the next video. And folks, don't forget to like the video. Okay, yeah, I'm just liking for myself, but still I'm just letting you know, if it's helpful, kindly make sure to like the video, and also subscribe it so that it'll reach out more people. Thank you. I'll see you soon tomorrow with the pre-market levels. Okay, have a good evening and night. Okay, bye guys, take care.